Hit like if Italy is on your bucket list. And when you get to Italy, you need to add Laghi di Torena to your to-do list. Welcome to the breathtaking Laghi di Torena, hidden deep in the heart of the Orobie Alps, a hidden gem that we have uncovered for you. This is winter trekking at its finest, a journey through pristine snowfields, Alpine silence, and nature untouched by time. The adventure begins with every step. As your boots crunch into the snow, you feel the crisp winter air on your face. Trekking here isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about immersing yourself in the journey. The trail leads you through a wonderland of snow-draped pine forests. The silence is profound, broken only by the sound of your breath and the occasional call of a mountain bird. It's a reminder of how small we are in the vast beauty of the Alps. And now, a well-earned pause. Trekking in the snow requires stamina, but moments like these, sitting on a rock, gazing at the majestic peaks, make every step worthwhile. And then the reward. Laghi di Torena, the frozen jewel of the Orobie Alps. The lakes, blanketed in ice and snow, reflect the untouched wilderness around them. It's a place that feels almost otherworldly, where time stands still. The serenity here is unmatched. Each step around the frozen lakes feels like stepping into a painting, where every detail, every icicle and snow-covered rock tells a story of nature's power and beauty. As the sun dips behind the peaks, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the trek back is just as magical. Laghi di Torena isn't just a destination. It's an experience, a connection to something greater than ourselves. Have you ever dreamed of trekking through a winter paradise? Hit like if this inspires you, and subscribe to join us as we explore more of nature's hidden gems. Laghi di Torena is waiting for you. Will you answer the call?